Hi students, welcome to Sakshi FIIT NEET Academy. In this video session, we are going to learn about one of the important electron displacement effect, that is resonance effect. So here in our last video, that is recent video, resonance part 1, we learned about what is resonance and how to draw a resonating structures, and it's a hybrid structure. So here in this session, we are going to learn about what is positive resonance effect and what is negative resonance effect, also known as positive mesomeric effect and a negative mesomeric effect. So here commonly what is positive mesomeric effect and a negative mesomeric effect? Simple here, resonance presence of electron donating group, called a positive mesomeric effect, resonance presence of electron withdrawing group called a negative mesomeric effect. So here this is very important to learn electrophilic substitution reactions on a benzene, on a substituted benzene, monosubstituted benzene. So here we have a chlorination, bromination, sulfonation, nitration, acylation, alkylation. So to understand these electrophilic substitution reactions towards a monosubstituted benzene, this concept is very important. So when you learn this mesomeric effect, it's very easy to write up products in a electrophilic substitution reaction. So let's begin. What is mesomeric effect and what is plus M group and what is minus M group? So here resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Here I am taking an example. So by doing this example, it's very easy to understand what is a positive mesomeric effect and what is negative mesomeric effect, also known as positive resonance effect or negative resonance effect. See here I am taking a conjugative system. This carbon which bonded to the conjugation is bonded to oxygen, Actually this is a carbonyl group. So what about this carbonyl group? Carbon acts as a electrophilic in nature, electrophilic in nature, because this carbon to oxygen double bond and oxygen is more electronegative. And what about the bond electrons? Bond electron displaces towards oxygen, gets partially negative charge and gets a partially positive charge. So here what about this resonance? So here this carbon acting as electron deficient, so obviously the resonance towards electron deficient carbon. See here these bond electrons are shifted here and pi electrons are shifted to oxygen. Then here we will get that resonating structures like here bond as it is. See here, so here the carbon bonded to oxygen. So when these pi electrons are shifted here, this carbon gets positive charge and this carbon become double bond, and see here these double bond electrons are shifted to oxygen. So now again to neutralize this carbon, these pi electrons are shifting here. Simple, here the bond, then we are getting positive charge at this terminal. Now the bond is here, oxygen minus. Next what happened? Same, again neutralize this backward resonance, then back to the terminal. Then see here we will get a pi bond and here positive charge. Now O minus bond. So in same way this also coming back and this pi electron shifted to here, and see here this pi electron shifted to here, this carbon gets a double bond, become neutral. So this is the group which bonded to the conjugative system, withdrawing electrons called a minus M group or minus mesomeric group. So due to this electron withdrawing group, so here minus M group or electron withdrawing group. Simple here that sigma bond electrons doesn't involve, only the pi electrons are going to involve in a resonance. So here there is no inductive phenomena, here completely resonance occurs. What about here? This minus M group means the conjugation towards the group, that is resonance towards the group, that is called a minus, that is a negative mesomeric effect or negative, the group called a negative mesomeric group. So now here I am taking another compound to understand which is a positive M group, that is a plus M group. Simply here the oxygen which bonded to the conjugative system. So simply this oxygen acts as an electron richer and due to the presence of this lone pair. So what about these electrons acting as an electron deficiency? So simply these non-bond electrons are involving in a resonance. Here these non-bond electrons are shifting towards a pi bond, and this here pi bond electrons are shifted to this oxygen, that is shifted to this carbon. Now here we have a pi bond, here negative charge, oxygen gets positive charge because of involving this lone pair. So electron is shifted towards here, so that oxygen getting a positive charge, and here we got a negative charge. Now what about the next step? These non-bond electrons are converting into pi bond, and these pi electrons are shifted to carbon as a non-bonded electrons, negative charge. So this is the next mesomeric structure. So again backward, now this pi electron shifted to, see here this non-bond electron shifted to here, and this pi electron shifted to third carbon. Here bond is here, negative charge is here, double bond and with a positive charge. So next what happened? Next again these non-bond electrons are converting into pi bond, and this pi bond are as usual shifting towards oxygen, and oxygen retained its lone pair. So this is the resonance due to presence of the element which having a lone pair, so that lone pair is shifting towards conjugation, that is called plus M effect. So the group which donating its lone pair called a plus M group, and due to this plus M group, so here resonance occurring towards the conjugation called a plus mesomeric effect or plus resonance effect, plus mesomeric effect. So here what about this group? This group called a electron donating group. So here don't think that inductive effect. So there also we have electron donating group in alkyl group. Here inductive effect means that is a sigma bonded electrons displaces towards a more electronegative. Here that is not criteria. Simple pi bond and non-bonded electrons. These non-bonded electrons are shifting towards a conjugation. Then we are getting a resonating structures. That is called a plus M group. So here presence of this donating group, resonance occur, that is called a plus mesomeric effect or plus resonance effect. The group is called a electron donating group. So here I hope you understand well what is minus M group, what is plus M group. So here minus M group or minus R group, plus M group or that is a plus R group. Simple donating group with a conjugation, withdrawing group with the conjugation. So these are the resonating structures. Okay, so now we will discuss taking a mono-substituted benzene. So here that what about the, based on the characteristics of that substituent, we will get a different resonating structures in a benzene ring. So let me explain. So may I remove this? Here I am taking a benzene ring, that is mono-substituted benzene. So here conjugated system which participates in a resonance, presence of substituent. Example here I am taking OH, hydroxy group on a benzene. So here what about this oxygen having a lone pair. So what about this lone pair? Lone pair is coming towards ring. That means the conjugation present in the ring. So here if that withdrawing group is there, the electron displaced from ring to outside. But here this element having a lone pair, then rich center, that rich center giving electron towards ring, towards ring. So obviously what about this group? This group is a plus M group. This group is a plus M group, that is electron donating group. Electron donating group. So presence of this plus M group. Then what about this resonance structures? See here these pi electrons are shifting towards a ring. So here these non-bond electrons are converting into pi bond, and see here these pi bond electrons are shifted towards this orthocarbon. Orthocarbon. So here what is orthocarbon? The oxygen, due to shifting of non-bond electron, that is a lone pair, getting a positive charge with a 3 bonds, and here we are getting a negative charge. Here we are getting negative charge at a ortho position. So here what about these positions? Coming to the common notations, that is a IUPAC nomenclature notations. Here this is a reference carbon. From this reference carbon, here first carbon and a sixth carbon, called orthocarbons. Orthocarbons are ortho positions. Here third carbon and a fifth carbon, these two are called meta positions. And what about this carbon? Called a para position. That is a 1,4 relation. 1,2 or 1,6 called ortho, 1,3 or 1,5 called meta. So here we got electron cloud accumulated at a ortho carbon. Now here see these non-bond electrons are involving in a resonance, then shifting towards conjugation, then we are getting negative charge at where? At para position. So here this is a positive charge. Now we got at para position. See here these non-bond electrons are shifted to this non-bonded are converting into pi bond, and pi bond converting into next, shifting towards the next carbon, become orthocarbon. That is a orthocarbon. So getting a negative charge here, double bond O, this is plus. So here these non-bond electrons are shifting, and oxygen gaining its a lone pair. So as usual we got neutral compound. Again that resonance continuously takes place. So here presence of plus M group, that is donating group. Here in the ring we got a negative charge at a ortho place, negative charge at a para position, negative charge at a ortho position. That means, so here what is the hybrid structure of this compound? See here, so this is the hybrid structure of this compound. Here negative charge, here negative charge, here negative charge. So to this compound which is donating group, so if we are taking this compound into a electrophilic substitution reaction, you just remember here not only this OH group, whatever the electron donating group is there, simply you will get a same this resonating structures, and you will get a negative center at ortho, para, ortho. Then when we are taking this compound which is a plus M group substituted benzene to the electrophilic substitution reaction, obviously electrophile attack at a ortho place, para place or ortho place. Okay, that we will discuss in a next. After discussing a minus M group, then we will discuss electrophilic substitution, presence of plus M group, nucleophilic substitution, presence of plus M group, then electrophilic substitution, presence of minus M group, nucleophilic substitution, presence of minus M group. So here let me complete that. Next group, that is a minus M group. So here what about this group? It's a plus M group, electron donating group showing a positive mesomeric effect. So on positive mesomeric effect we are getting these resonating structures. In these resonating structures in a ring we are getting negative charge at ortho, para and ortho. Now here I am taking an example for a minus M effect on benzene. Now here simple I am taking carbonyl carbon. This is benzaldehyde. Just now we discussed if the conjugation bonded to carbonyl carbon, this carbonyl carbon acts as a electrophilic center. So obviously what about the resonance is towards a deficient carbon, deficient carbon, so this pi electron shifted to the deficient carbon, that is the carbonyl carbon, and these pi electrons are shifted towards the oxygen because oxygen pulling electrons continuously, that's what this carbon got positive charge. So this positive charge is neutralized by this resonating resonance. Now we are getting a next resonating structure like carbon to carbon double bond, and here we will get a negative charge, here hydrogen. See here at ortho place we are getting a positive charge. So now this is a bond as it is, this bond as it is. Coming to next see here this pi electron shifting here, then we are getting a O minus, here hydrogen as it is, at para position we are getting a positive charge. Now this shifting, these pi electrons are shifting, and we are getting a positive charge at a ortho place. So now again on back resonance we are getting a neutral compound, that is benzaldehyde, So simple, a presence of these groups. So here what happening here, because of this electrophilicity, that bonded, that means conjugative electrons are coming upside, that is called a electron withdrawing group, So presence of this electron withdrawing group, we got these resonating structures, that is called a minus M effect, negative mesomeric effect. And what about this group called a minus M group, minus N group, and electron withdrawing group EWG, that is called electron withdrawing group. EDG, electron donating group, So this is presence of withdrawing group, we got a resonating structures. So on these resonating structures, in a benzene ring we are getting a positive charge at a ortho, positive charge at a para, positive charge at a ortho. So what about the hybrid structure for this compound? Simply so here we will get negative center. See, this is positive center, this is positive center, this is positive center. So when the electron withdrawing group is there, same resonating structures, and we will get a same hybrid structure which gets a positive charge at ortho, para, ortho, because of withdrawing group, So when we are taking this compound, so the benzene which having a withdrawing group towards the electrophilic substitution reaction, obviously what about the electrophile? Is the electrophile attached to this carbon, ortho, para, ortho? No, because electrophile is positive and these carbons also positive, there is no chance to attack this electrophile with this carbon. So there is a chance with this meta carbons. So presence of minus M group, electrophilic substitution takes place at a meta, and a nucleophilic substitution takes place at a ortho, para, ortho, because nucleophile means negative fragment. So there is a chance to bond at a ortho, para, ortho. So simply minus M groups directs a electrophile towards a meta positions, directs a nucleophile towards a ortho, para, ortho. What about a plus M group? Presence of plus M group, we are getting a negative charge in a ring at ortho, para, ortho. So obviously electrophile attacks at a ortho, para, ortho, because these carbons are electron rich carbons. The coming fragment is electron poor, electrophile. So obviously there is a chance to attack a ortho, para, ortho. So plus M group directs the electrophile to substitute at a ortho, para, ortho. Nucleophile at a meta. So this is the importance of mesomeric effect in a electrophilic substitution reactions. So here I am taking some more examples which are plus M substituted benzenes, which are minus M substituted benzene. Then we will discuss that is electrophilic substitution reactions, that is common path. Here I am taking a plus M groups. Just now we discussed OH, that is oxygen having a lone pair, so donating. What about NH2? Nitrogen having a lone pair, so it donates towards ring. Now here I am taking a, that is secondary amine having a lone pair towards ring. Next a tertiary amide, that is tertiary amine having a lone pair towards ring. Next here I am taking, that is a N-phenyl amide. N-phenyl amide, okay, having a lone pair, shows plus M characteristics. Now here that alkyl group toluene, which is a CH3, acts as a plus M group, Now here I am taking a aromatica ether, that is anisole or OR. So this is also shows plus M characteristics, And now here, so this oxygen bonded to C double bond O and R. So what about this oxygen having a lone pair, shows plus M characteristics, So these compounds are having a electron donating group, so obviously shows a plus M resonating effect, Now coming to minus M groups on benzene, which gives minus M effect. So here benzaldehyde due to carbonyl carbon, here ketone due to carbonyl carbon, here carboxylic acid due to carbonyl carbon, that is benzoic acid. Now here I am taking a, that is a nitrile group, which acts as a benzonitrile, which acts as a minus M group. Here that is aryl amide, which acts as a minus M group due to carbonyl carbon. And here I am taking another groups. Here nitrogen, which having a double bond O and a coordinated oxygen, acts as a minus M group. Here sulfur group, which bonded to oxygens and OH, so this is also acts as a minus M group, So here these are the groups which shows minus M effector. So these are the groups which shows plus M effector. Simply these are donating groups, and these are electron withdrawing groups, So here presence of these groups, we will discuss electrophilic substitution, nucleophilic substitution. Presence of these group, we will discuss electrophilic substitution and nucleophilic substitution. So may I remove this? So here you can take a ester group also, C double bond O, OR. So this is also one of a minus M groups. So here I am taking a electrophilic substitution. Just I am giving a reaction path, I am not giving a mechanism. We will discuss this electrophilic substitution and its mechanism in another video detailed. So now here I am giving a, that is plus M group directs the electrophile towards ortho and para, and what about minus M group directs the electrophile towards a meta. That is we are going to discuss here, electrophilic substitution or nucleophilic substitution. So here electrophilic substitution and nucleophilic substitution, presence of, I am taking first presence of plus M group, So here I am taking a compound, here X, so here assume X is a plus M group, So what about resonating structures? Actually we will get due to the plus M group, so we will get negative charge at ortho, para, ortho. So when we are taking electrophile, So obviously it attacks at a ortho or para. So we'll get a mixture of products. One is a ortho substituted and one is a para substituted. One is a para substituted. So when I am taking a nucleophile, so same here I am taking, when I am taking a nucleophile, so obviously there is no chance to attack a ortho, para, ortho. Obviously this is going to attack at meta. So only one position is vacant for a substitution of nucleophile. So this is the electrophilic substitution and a nucleophilic substitution, presence of plus M group, So here this is very important, very important, maximum in every paper, IIT mains and NEET, at least one question from these electrophilic substitution reactions. Now I am taking the benzene, presence of minus M group, then we will discuss about electrophilic substitution and nucleophilic substitution. I am taking the benzene ring, presence of minus M group. So here X equal to minus M group. So presence of minus M group, that is electron withdrawing group. So we know on resonance we got a hybrid structure like a, so positive. So here we will get a negative charge, that is we are getting electrons are coming outside based on the group. So here positive at a ortho, positive at a para, positive at a ortho. So if we are giving electrophile, so the electrophile is not going to attack ortho, para, ortho, because these centers are positively charged. So positive charge means there is no chance to substitute at a ortho, para, ortho. So simply it attacks meta. And what about a nucleophile? So nucleophile can attack at ortho as well para, because these positions are showing a positive character. So nucleophile is negative character, can attack a positive ortho, para, ortho. So we will get a mixture of products. One is a ortho substituted, one is a para substituted. So this is the importance of plus R effect and a minus R effect, or we can say a plus M effect and a minus M effect. So I hope you understand well what is mesomeric effect and which groups are plus M groups and which groups are minus M groups. So here presence of plus M group, how can we take a electrophile substitution and how can we take a nucleophile substitution, and the presence of minus M group, how can we take a electrophile substitution and a nucleophile substitution. So I hope you understand well. Subscribe the channel, share, like, comment and hit the bell icon so that you will get latest video lectures. Thank you.